What's up, guys? We have a sold item for the day, for the last day of May 31st. So this is Red Master Chief from Halo 1. So this is series 2. Let's see. Yeah, that's the Red Master Chief. So it comes with his signature rifle, his pistol over there, and shotgun. So I bought this back then, I think at GameStop or Sam Goodies, if I'm not mistaken, when they're still around. I was surprised there's still a couple of Sam Goodies left, still open in the US. Okay, so this is made by Bungie. Of course, made by Microsoft Game Studios. On this series 2, if I'm not mistaken, I have Cortana, which I sold before. I'm not sure if I still have the Warthog. There's a Marine. I think I still have the Elite. I'm not sure. I think I still have a Ghost. Yeah. There we go. Joyride Studios. Still in a good condition. There you go. We're gonna pack it later and hopefully we can ship it by tomorrow. Alright. Here we go again. Master Chief, the red version. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.